I was influenced to become a physician assistant actually by an athletic trainer while I was in high school. So when I was a soccer goalkeeper, I injured my thumb and it was supposed to keep me out for 6 weeks, but he made a special thumb splint that would fit under my goalkeeper glove. So I could return to the field much sooner. And so I worked full-time as an athletic trainer for 5 years, and that is how I got introduced to the physician assistant profession. And I shadowed a bunch of physician assistants, and then that is what made me want to go to physician assistant school. My role at Reedsburg Area Medical Center is an orthopedic physician assistant in the orthopedic clinic. Majority of the time in the clinic, seeing patients anywhere from new patient visits to follow-ups to pre-ops to post-ops, maybe even a little bit of bone health osteoporosis treatment. I find that the most rewarding thing as a physician assistant is getting people back to the activities that they love to do. That is why I was drawn to the field of orthopedics, is there is usually a treatment that will improve the patient's condition to be able to return them to what they love to do. I tend to see a lot of anywhere from active athletes all the way up to people that love to garden or play with their grandchildren. And when they come back into the clinic and say that they were able to get down onto the floor or the yard to be able to garden or to play with their grandchildren or to be able to get back to the field of play to play basketball or whatever their sport of choice is. As I started to look for places to practice in the beginning of my career, I was drawn to rural medicine, and I practiced rural medicine in New Mexico for 10 years. And then we were having to relocate back to Wisconsin, and I was looking for a hospital that was in a rural area so I could continue to practice medicine in a rural area and give back to a community that needs specialists. When my husband and I first met, we lived in Wisconsin, and this was like our favorite area to come camping and to explore. I love being outdoors, so we have 3 dogs and 1 child, and we love to search out different parks, whether that be state parks, local parks, and go for walks with dogs, and she loves to play tag, so we play tag a lot. I also have a horse that is my main hobby, so you will find me out at the farm, trail riding, taking lessons, working with her.